Hey everyone, this is Valerie with Mailshake, and today I want to show you a little bit more about the Mailshake and Pipedrive two-way native integration that can help you save a lot of time in your sales process. So here I am inside of my Mailshake account, and this is one of the campaigns that I have that generates some of my sales leads. To go ahead and set up that import from Pipedrive, I can go into integrations and select that specific app. As you can see, we have multiple Pipedrive setup integrations and imports, but I'm going to choose mine and show you that instead of this integration, we can track sends, opens, clicks, replies, unsubscribes, leads, tasks, and even dialer actions that go back and forth from one app to the other one. And down here, I can also customize for this setting to track and create deals for me whenever new leads have been generated inside of this campaign. Those deals are going to end up falling inside of my Pipedrive CRM's pipeline, and I can keep track of them and visualize them from here later on. As simple as that. You can also update your Mailshake campaigns automatically from your Pipedrive dashboard. I use this for automating nurture emails and for following up with leads who no-showed to meetings that we had scheduled. So simply by taking a specific lead and dragging it into the no-show column, or by taking another one and dragging it into the nurture column, which are my nurture and no-show sequences, I would later on come and see those leads fall into the campaigns that I have within my Mailshake account. To do this, you want to go inside of your Mailshake campaigns and select the campaign that you're going to customize the import from. You go to add prospects and specify that you're going to import from an app, in this case, into this campaign. Later on, you want to choose the integration, the specific import inside of the integrations, and specify which pipeline to pull deals from, which deal stage, and then also the owner of the deal stage or the pipeline inside of Pipedrive. You can also specify if this will be a one-time import or if you want this to continue running in the background for future leads and future deal stages. This integration is a very powerful automation for automating your sales process and eventually being able of closing more deals, both inside of Pipedrive and with the help of Mailshake.